Welcome to Puerto Galera!
I set out on a road that I built with my own two hands.
Lesson naman.
I'm not friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand.
Guys, thanks. 6-7.
Forgiveness together is spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free.
Room tour.
Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be.
Wow, may bubbles.
And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23. But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreaking cost. Would you come running if I called you and get me out there? Would you come catch me if I fell down towards a bitter end? You wanna talk about it?
Today, medyo mainit. Isang dalawang couple.
Dalawa? Isang couple?
Dalawang mag-couple.
Dalawang couple? Di apat sila.
Yung isang single nandoon.
Yeah, yun nga. Laging kami kanina.
There's nothing left of us. I wouldn't hold you against it if you were to leave my side. I wouldn't cry if you left me, but I would feel betrayed.
Patingin nga ng braid. Wow! Tin? Grabe! JD in the house!
100 pesos.
Let's go on. I don't wanna care anymore. There's no more between you and me, so just go. So just go on. I don't wanna care anymore.
Okay guys, nasa sasakyan na kami. Pupunta kami ng island hopping. Ito mga kasama ko sa likod. Langoy na langoy na. Mga pumalunod. Video to.
Ay, video pala yun.
Ay, okay. Nakakita tayo sa tatlong grupo.
Welcome to my vlog. Goodbye, Philippines!
Kami tatlo lang muna.
Okay, ito na.
Yan sila oh.
Bye-bye, President! Bye-bye sa inyo lahat! Magkita-kita na lang tayo sa outer space.
Kita-kits na lang ha. Video to ha. Yan pa, dalawang mag-jowa.
Kasi practice. Practice!
Ang mga wala,
Hello,
nasa bangka, nilalamig na isa. Ayun. Ang multo ng Puerto Galera.
So dito tayo ngayon sa Puerto Galera at may kita mo may isang kakaibang species na isda.
Ano pong sinasabi ng isda na yan?
Ano sinasabi niyo ng isda?
Ano tunog niya?
Ano sabi?
Ano po kayo?
Magandang umaga, mga kababayan.
Kakaibang isda na yan.
Grabe yung isda doon, naka-braids.
From this all, hard to be standing on your own. Hard to be standing on your own. You knocked me down, swept my feet off the ground.
Andito kami ngayon sa Haligi Beach!
Cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong. He's always there for me. I keep living alone. Well, so far from home. Free, but ready to bleed.
Asan pre? Meron dyan?
Ay, mukhang bunga. Eh,
Hindi makita.
Lilipad. Ang laki.
Hmm?
Ang laki.
saan?
Ang panigi. Lilipad.
Ayun ang
Hindi yan panigi.
paniki yan.
Ini-
Paniki ba yan?
Hindi.
Kuya, kasi ngayon nakakita ng paniki.
Pero yung may, no? Ay, sila, balik ka, atas kayo konti.
Hindi niya makita? Yun ang mga naka-upside down.
Ayun.
Ang dami nila, no?
Oo, yung meron niya. Nakaupo na sila.
$1 million.